Hi, this is Shumana. Welcome to the Creative Mess channel. In this video, I am going to talk about some medicines which helps to boost our immune system. So let's start. The common cold is caused by viruses in the same family as those that cause COVID-19. Now the recent study finds that immune cells from previous cold infections may help the body fight the virus causing COVID-19. If we have to fight with COVID, we have to improve our immune system. We should provide maximum resources like proteins, vitamins, antibiotics to boost our immune system. So the basic COVID kit for build immune system is doxycycline is an antibiotic drug that kills a wide and wonderful range of bugs that are often difficult to treat with other antibiotics. These include bacteria and parasites that take up residence inside our cell called intracellular organisms, making them hard for most antibiotics to reach. Eating high fiber foods, fermented foods, and prebiotic foods after taking antibiotics may also help re-establish a healthy gut microbiota. Precautions to take doxycycline are: do not take your medicine together with dairy products. This is because dairy foods like milk, cheese can stop your body from absorbing doxycycline. You can have dairy products a few hours before and after your dose. Avoid drinking alcohol with doxycycline. Next medicine is the levocetirizine dihydrochloride tablets. The recommended dose of levocetirizine dihydrochloride tablet is 2.5 mg, that is 1 or 2 tablet once daily in the evening. Levocetirizine plus ambroxol is used in the treatment of cough. It is an anti-allergic that treats runny nose, watery eyes and sneezing. Next one is the vitamin C. It is safe to take in recommended amounts at any time of the day. It occurs naturally in variety of plant products including orange juice, grapefruit and lemons. The body does not store vitamin C, so people should take it on a daily basis, ideally in small doses throughout the day. Also note that large doses of minerals can compete with each other to be observed. Also note that large doses of minerals can be harmful to our body. So don't use calcium, zinc and magnesium supplements at the same time. You can also take multivitamins. As we all know, vitamins are essential constituents of our diet and have long been known to influence our immune system. Actually, our body absorbs and uses vitamins and nutrients better when they come from the dietary source. Vitamins and supplements can help fill in the gaps in our diet. The best way to load up on essential nutrients is to get them straight from food. If your food do not contain vitamins, then you can take multivitamins like A to Z multivitamin. Before taking all of these supplements, please consult with your doctor for once. By the way, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon, and please share this video with your friends. And you can watch my other videos on yoga and pranayamas just by clicking on the I button. And if you want to connect with me, then go and follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. All links are in description. Thank you so much.